Yeah! Got him! Definitely not by accident. A lock, 2 anchors. What do you think's in there? What's up, guys? Just got down here to Big Portage Lake, just south of Land Lakes, Wisconsin. Here with Kyle Foster. And Kyle lost something. Let's hear what he says.
Lost a cell phone and a sailboat tip over. It's got a whole bunch of sentimental value to me. It's got a bunch of recordings of my grandparents, pictures from the last 4 years since back before I met my wife and everything. So I've been trying real hard, and luckily I got somebody here willing to help.
Definitely. And what have you done so far to try to get this back?
Good friend came up here with a fishing boat, and we used an ice fishing camera to try to spot it. 1 in a million chance, and we got lucky. Since then I got an awesome boss who helped me acquire an underwater drone, and yeah, pulling out all the stops.
Yep. So hopefully today is the last stop.
Yep.
We get this back for you. We are headed out this point, straight out there, right off a dock, and it's about 20 feet of water, you said, where you tipped over, huh?
Yep.
And you got your kayak ready to go? You got my kayak ready to go? Let's do it.
Cool.
Onward ho. What do you say, that's about a quarter mile, half mile?
Whatever 1,000 meters is.
1,000 meters, so 3.3 times 1,000. We're getting it. Just got out to the spot here. Right now he's using his GPS to try to locate the spot. Right off these patch of weeds that he flipped the sailboat over, and it's about 20 feet deep in here. We gotta dive down. All geared up, ready to go. Got it marked over here where I gotta go dive. Go find the cell phone. Yeah! Got him! Yeah, not too far from your marker here. Wow! And I got an old beer can for you too. Yeah! Good job, man! It's pretty watertight. I can't really see any water in there since it's so tight, but that was fast! I found the phone about 8-10 feet from your marker. Sweet! Successful recovery, baby! It's very weird. It's a tackle box with 2 anchors on it. That wasn't put in there by accident. Definitely not by accident. A lock, 2 anchors. What do you think's in there? Really curious what is in this thing here. Yeah, I didn't need a flashlight. It's nice and clear down there.
Was it sitting above the silt?
This was below the silt, and there was only like 3 inches of silt maybe. All right, we got this here. What is in here? Dun, dun, dun. All right, we got a boat plug. Got some substance in a bag here. Got some rocks. Maybe they're memory rocks. They're painted rocks. It says love. Maybe it's a memory box. Should I put it back? These could be ashes right here. I think these are some kind of ashes of maybe an animal, or we're gonna put this back in the water. Yeah, even though I don't like the litter, but it'll be fine.
I don't like putting the plastic back in.
Yeah. It's a pretty sentimental thing. I think I'm gonna go put it back.
Everything that I've gone through for sentimental reasons, I'm gonna.
It's pretty tight bag though.
Sure, it looks dry to me.
Wow. Well, I'd still try to dry it out.
You're worth every penny, man.
I appreciate it. You paid a lot for me to get up here. 6 hours of driving, and we got up here and found it in 5 minutes. Maybe 5 minutes. He did all the recon. He brought his underwater drone out here. Got lights on the camera, little grabby thing on there. And you said your boss bought that for you, right?
Yeah, he heard about this and felt bad and wanted to help. So
That's a nice boss. I wish I had a boss like that.
that's one I've ever worked for. This is, I can't tell you how much I appreciate this, man.
I'm glad I could help you. Thanks for calling me.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Another successful recovery.
Very satisfied customer.
All right, this is where I found this. Going back in. Memories. Sinking down to the bottom. Just made it back to the spot we started here, back at the dock, and he's even more excited that we got back here. Still kind of hard to believe we got her back.
Very hard to believe, but made it back. Didn't tip over on the way back, so I still got it. I can see we found it safely. This is awesome. And it looks bone dry pretty much, other than what I touched with my finger.
Yeah. So great case, whatever case that is.
Yeah.
Being 20 feet deep for 2 months, 2.5 months.
Couple bucks for a waterproof case is worth it.
Definitely.
Oh, I'll charge it up and see if she still works.
Yeah.
It's not getting turned on until I get home. So.
Got it.
But thank you again.
Yeah, no problem. Anytime. Thanks for calling me.
It's got a pretty good little motor on it.
Wow.
Tell the position of the drone. You can tell where it's at in relation to you, where it's facing.
That is pretty cool.
And then when you go down, it'll tell you how many degrees down or up you're going. You can lock the depth and play around with her and give her a spin.
Oh, okay.
Sure.
I don't want to break it.
It's tethered. It ain't going anywhere.
I guess I'll try it out.
A little bit of glare on the screen.
Yeah.
It was a little odd operating this thing, but it was actually kind of fun. Might have to invest in one.
Just got out of the water here at Big Portage Lake, Land Lakes, Wisconsin. And Kyle has some really good news.
Cell phone found.
Awesome.
Intact and dry.
Wow.
So I think you probably could have just held your breath. I don't know if you needed the tank. So
Well, it was about 20 feet deep, but that was in the water for over 2 months, right?
yeah, since just after the 4th of July.
Wow.
So, and here we are, the end of September.
He actually did some recon with an underwater drone, an underwater camera, and he had another scuba diver come out here to try to find it. He wasn't successful, but you were successful marking it.
Yep.
And actually put a buoy out there. Someone removed the buoy.
Yep. Yeah. Still looking for that. So.
And you actually went off your GPS with your other phone.
Yep.
And we found it fast.
Yep. So the one found it off the phone with more floaties on it than this one. But yeah, you said I dropped it within just a few feet of the stuff out there. So
Pretty good recon, and saved you some money in the long run from saving me time.
yeah, thank you again.
No problem, man.
So,
Glad I could help.
thanks.